Today I would like to introduce my chatbot, which is available in both Telegram website or you can have it a Telegram app. Let me show you my Telegram bot. Yes, I think it's visible. I mainly built this one for providing a behavior that automatically gives the predicted weather conditions of the specified city or location, which have to be given by the user. Let us test for some sample cities. Like as above, I have given Hyderabad as a city. It's giving all the weather conditions related, like temperature, humidity that are involved, pressure, wind speed, etc. And same in the city Kakinada. Now let me give another city like Visakhapatnam. In Visakhapatnam, the weather is scattered clouds with temperature of 20. Same as above. Remember, we need to specify correct spelling of the city. For what we know, we are supposed to know about the city weather conditions. In order to know them, we need to specify the correct spelling. Now let us go to the code in which we are supposed to write yes. It's the essential code we need to write in order to build this bot. Firstly, the initial thing is to import all the essential modules. It's quite complicated thing, but it's easier. It's necessary to include the modules such as, I think it's visible, like Telegram bot, Express and Axios, which provides some type of functionalities for our chatbot, like setting up the server for port definition and in order to start our server, likewise. Next, we need to create an instance for the Express application. As we know that the Express module is imported earlier, this Express application instance we have created for the sake of creating a server in order to handle all the incoming requests. Next, after then, we need to create and define a port in order to start the server. Here we have specified port number as 3000. The main reason we need to specify the port number is in which the server will listen all the incoming requests. Once the server starts listening, a message is supposed to be logged to the console. That's the reason for that. Here, once the server starts listening, a message is logged to the console. Next, here a Telegram bot token is used to store, which is like an access key. This is the access key. You are supposed to be stored inside the Telegram token. And then I have created a new instance of the Telegram bot class using a Telegram bot token we obtained, and the polling attribute is to be true. The polling true option enables the bot to continuously check for the new messages. In order to handle all the new messages, it's satisfied to be true. Next, and then here we register an event handler for the message event here, which can be triggered when a new message is received by our chatbot. When any kind of new messages, like any user input is gonna be given, it will be automatically handled. Inside the event handler, we extract the chat ID and the user input, which is the message text from the incoming message. Here you can see inside the try block, which is the weather response. We are gonna be make a request to the weather open weather map API. Here you can see it. This is the open weather app API. Is available in any kind of browser. It automatically predicts the weather conditions and helps us to show all the conditions related to the weather inside our telegram bot. Here we made a request to the weather map API using this method, axios.get method. Axios is the module and get is the method, in order to fetch all the weather information based on the input location, which has to be given by the user. If the API request is successfully completed, we need to extract relevant weather information such as weather description, temperature, city name, humidity, pressure and wind speed, etc. And we need to retrieve all these things inside a message, and it has to be displayed as an output if all things gonna be successfully completed. Then we need to compose a message with extracted weather information here. Finally, we send the weather message back to the chat using bot.sendMessage. It's a method, send message, if all things gonna be successfully happen. Otherwise, in case of an error happen, if an error occurs during the API request, we need to send a simple error message instead of printing all these conditions. Here you can see if any kind of error exists, we need to print any kind of error message, like why sorry, couldn't find information for the specified city. Okay, this is the code explanation. And coming to the chatbot, we need to specify the city name with a good spell, then only it will give the answer in an accurate way. Otherwise it will give like specified city is not found, likewise. Thank you for watching this video. Let us give another example. Let's see what will it give if we give some city called Delhi or Lucknow. Delhi or in Delhi, same wise Lucknow. It's working well, right? That's what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you. Bye.